everyone, welcome back. Today is a requested video to review Banila Covericious Ultimate White Cushion. It comes in this box and it also includes a refill and the cushion as well. I got it in the shade 23 medium and it's the darkest shade. They do have 4 shades total. Some quick information about this product: it's supposed to tone your skin, make it look flawless and brighter. It makes your skin look smooth and has a lightweight finish with flawless coverage for a clear matte look. It's supposed to correct dullness, redness, and any yellowness. It also has white truffle essence and that's supposed to give you that smooth texture. Starting for the packaging, you have a white and silver packaging with the letter B on top. Once you open it, you have the sponge. It's angled. Really soft sponge. The sponge insert with the product is quite stiff. You probably have to apply more pressure once the product starts running out. It's a magnetic opening. It's not super strong, but I think it's enough just to keep it closed. Compared to other cushions, it's pretty much the same size. This is Peripera's Glow Cushion, and then Too Cool for School's the Tint cushion. Feels very lightweight as well. When we compare the shades with other cushions, slightly darker than Peripera's Mood Vegan Glow Cushion at number 3, Beige. Slightly darker, it has a little bit more yellow in it. It looks a little bit more neutral compared to Peripera's. Too Cool for School is also a little bit darker than Banila Co's. I don't have any makeup except for my eyebrows and my lips. I'm gonna go ahead on one side of my face and start applying from the center outwards. Right off the bat, it's really pigmented. A little does go a long way. I also did apply my skincare, including sunscreen. I still have some dark spots. Just gonna try to cover that. Finished applying it on one side of my face. It does a pretty good job of covering dark spots. Not completely, but just enough so that you can use a little bit of concealer. For the coverage, I would say that it has up to 80% of coverage. It has medium to almost full coverage. We can see that it's covered up my dark circles, redness around my nose. It does a pretty good job of covering any redness and dullness. You can see the dewiness from my skincare, and now it's sort of mattified my face. It does feel a little bit lightweight as well. Not much of a moisturizing effect. If you have dry skin or patchy areas, I think it would make it visible. It does feel slightly drying. Again, this is 23 medium and I would say it's a pretty good match for my skin tone. Slightly a little bit lighter, but it does have a natural and subtle brightening effect. I thought it was going to look lighter, but it actually has a really nice brightening effect. Although it is matte, it sort of has this velvet-like finish. I'm going to go ahead with the rest of my face and then talk more about this product. I finished applying on my entire face. It has a semi-matte finish. I can still see a little bit of the dewiness from my skincare. Definitely evened out my skin tone. I got rid of any dullness. Quite smooth, fills on my pores really well. Creates a really nice canvas for the rest of your makeup. Sort of has a semi-velvety-like finish. To be honest, the formula is a little bit tricky because it's quite pigmented. And so when I'm patting it down with the sponge, you can see the outline of the pointed top. And even if you try to blend it out, it's just gonna keep creating a harsh line. So you really have to make sure that you blend out this product, otherwise you will see harsh edges from the sponge. It kind of smells like crayons mixed with old makeup, if that makes sense. Not really a big fan of the scent. When I'm applying on my face, I can smell it. I'm gonna go ahead with the rest of my makeup. So I did a quick and simple makeup look. It still looks quite smooth. No cakiness, no build-up. Makes your skin look very soft as well. Very buildable as well. Overall, really beautiful semi-matte finish. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.